Let's take off our cluster lashes together. There is only one product I will ever use to remove my cluster lashes at the end of each week, and that is the Kiss Volscara Liquid Lash Remover. This does separate, so you just have to shake it before you use it. This stuff is so gentle. You could open your eyes with it on and it wouldn't burn. Obviously, I don't recommend doing that. This gets your lashes and all of the bond and seal off in under 1 minute. You only need 2 products to remove your cluster lashes. The Kiss Volscara Liquid Lash Remover, and then you just need some regular flat cotton pads. If you wear contacts, I do recommend taking them out to remove your cluster lashes, just because this is an oil and it'll get all over your contacts, and if you know, you know. I'm gonna be taking 1 contact out at a time because I can't see without them. So I'm just gonna take out 1. You're going to saturate your cotton pad in the liquid remover. It'll look like this. So you're just gonna swipe down and press them down and hold them. Okay. So we're pushing down on them from the top like this, and we're just holding them down for a little while. Guys, let's double tap that screen for our lash removal. Double tap that screen for our lash removal. This stuff does not burn, nothing. Like, it's like there's nothing on your eye, okay? Okay, so see, they're already starting to come off. I'm just gonna push up from the bottom and hold it up from the bottom for a little bit. Okay, so we just let it sit on there, okay? And now you can see they're just coming off on their own, okay? You see this? They're just like melted, they melted off, all right? What I need you to do, make sure you throw these away. Don't let your cluster lashes go down the sink, because normally we do this over the sink. Don't let your cluster lashes go down the sink. They're plastic. So now the lashes are off. The glue is already starting to come off. So now what we do is we put the pad back on, and we alternate between letting it sit for a few seconds and then giving it a rub. It feels, I enjoy this, guys, because I wear cluster lashes all week. So obviously I can't rub my eyes. So I enjoy getting a nice eye rub in, all right? See? So it's pretty much already all gone, guys, but we're gonna let it, continue letting it sit just for a few seconds. I'm pretty sure it's all gone already, because I had clear glue on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's all gone. Notice the lashes on the pad. So here's what you need to do to not freak out. That's a fake lash. That's not even a real lash. The Kiss Volscara remover kind of melts the glue and the lashes a little bit, so the fake lashes start to fall out of the cluster. So you're gonna see skinny fake lashes. See, like, that's a fake lash. That's a fake lash right there. That's not my real lash. That's a fake lash. That's a fake lash. Those are my real lashes right there. So you will see a couple of real lashes in there, and that's just because, like I said, our natural lashes grow and fall out on a cycle. And when we have fake lashes on for a week, the lashes that naturally fall out during the week have nowhere to go. So they just sit there. So you will see them on your cotton pad. So don't freak out about that. No damage to your lashes. No, nothing.